Hello, this is Lekha from Informatica GCS. In this video, we will see how to capture mock proxy logs for design time issues in manual proxy mode. Here is the agenda: steps to capture mock proxy logs, followed by demo and reference document. To run the tool to capture design time issue in manual proxy mode, shut down the agent. From the path where mock proxy utility is configured, run the tool, add proxy entries in proxy.ini file, start up the agent, and once the services are up, replicate the issue. When mock proxy utility is run for the first time on the agent, it imports the mock server certificates to the agent's default CA certs. However, based on the Java used, the certificate import might not be successful sometimes, so it is recommended to import them manually after starting the mock proxy tool by referring to this KB article. After capturing the logs, ensure to revert the changes by following these steps. Shut down the agent, revert the changes in proxy.ini file, stop the mock proxy, and then restart the agent. Moving on to the demo. Shut down the domain and wait for the services to be stopped. Before running the tool, ensure the services have stopped. You can also cross-check by running ps-ef pipeline grep java command on the agent. Go to utility configured directory. And run the tool. You can see the mock proxy start.log being generated in the same path. Now it's time to edit a proxy.ini file to add the proxy entries. Once this is done, we can start up the agent. Let us wait for the services to start up. Now that the services are up, create a mapping with SuccessFactor OData source and import an object. This would be already captured in mock proxy start log. Now to stop capturing the logs, shut down the agent, revert the changes in proxy.ini. Stop mock proxy. This should generate mock proxy stop.log in the same location. And then restart the agent. This is how mock proxy logs could be captured for design time issues in manual proxy mode. Refer to the KB article for more detailed steps. We would love to hear from you. Please share your feedback. Thank you.